Well, hello and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Today I'm celebrating the 70s. I'm celebrating with my friend Kissy Kat. We're both doing 70s videos. And Kissy Kat has a really fun channel too. I can't wait to see what she does for the 70s. She's all about making easy foods to create, as well as making really quirky and exciting crafts. When I think of the 70s, I think of just one thing. And that one thing is the show I just adore, the Brady Bunch. I always loved the Brady Bunch, always wanted to be a part of that wonderful family. Well, for today's episode, I'm going to be making something from the Brady Bunch cookbook. I searched through it to think what would be a fun recipe to make, and I did find this exciting recipe. In the back, it talks about different cast members and what their favorite things were, and I'm going to be doing Greg Brady's recipe. It's called Barry Williams Showstopper Zucchini and Swiss Cheese Pie. Well, you know, I've got zucchinis growing, and I'm like, this is a great way to use those zucchinis. We start with the pie pan. We're going to coat that, the bottom and sides, with butter. Then I'm going to pour some breadcrumbs on the bottom and sides of that pie pan. In a saucepan, I need to saute a chopped onion and 2 tablespoons of garlic. I need to wait till that onion is translucent. I'm going to add some cut in half cherry tomatoes and 3 sliced small zucchinis. It's been 10 minutes, so I'm just going to take it off the burner and set it to the side for a few minutes to cool down. In a bowl, I need 3 eggs with a 1/3 cup of milk. Whisk that together. I'm going to add this zucchini mix to the egg mix and mix it all in. Half the mixture goes in that pie shell, and some grated Swiss cheese. The rest of that zucchini mix, and then some Parmesan cheese on top of that. And then I'm going to grate a little butter on top of that. And bake this at 375 for 30 minutes. My favorite character in the Brady Bunch has got to be Alice. I'd love to know who yours is. Please let me know in the comments section. And here it is. I think I'm just gonna call it Brady Bunch Pie. Here we go. Great flavors. Loving all that cheese. Thanks, Greg Brady, for a fabulous dish. Now you need to go over and check out Kissy Kat and see what she's making. Make sure you tell her I said hi. I hope that you have a sunshine day. What do you get if you cross a zucchini with the president? George Squashington.